All right, so let's take a look at the odd number questions. So statements, reasons. So the first one, so AE bisects each other. AE and BD bisects each other. And that is given. And then the second thing is AC is going to be congruent to EC. So AC and CE are congruent because definition of bisector. I could also say that BC is congruent to DC for the same reason. And then angle BCA is congruent to angle DCE, vertical angles. And then 4, the triangles are congruent. ECD by side angle side. Okay, so now skip the flow chart. You guys can do the flow chart one. So IE is congruent to GH, that's given. EF is congruent to HF, that's also given. And then F is the midpoint of GI, which is also given. So definition of a midpoint would be that GF is congruent to IF, and then the triangle EFI is congruent to triangle HFG by side, side, side. Okay, and then let's move right along to the next one. So question 5 now. Let's see. What other information, if any, do you need to prove that the triangles are congruent by side angle side? So I would need this side there. So I would need that LG is congruent to MN. And then here I would need the angle measurement, or I would need a side measurement. They said side, so I would need this side. So I would need RS is congruent to WU. Okay, so then question 7 would be, would you use side, 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 or side angle side to prove the triangles are congruent? If there's not enough information, then write not enough information and explain. Okay, so I don't have anything. Like here I would need for side angle side, I'd need those angles, or I would need side, 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 so I would need these 3 sides. So not enough info. For side, 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 I would need SQ is congruent to PQ. Or for side angle side, I would have needed angle T is congruent to angle R. Okay, here, yes, side angle side I would have, because AC is congruent to AC by reflexive property. So I could use side angle side. All right, so then 9, what other information do you need to prove side angle side? So I would need that here, LE is congruent to BN, because I would already have L and B by reflexive property. So LE is congruent to BN would be the other information that I would need. And that is it for the odd numbered questions.